Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by running your local server now, not later. Launch npm start or python m http. Server 8000 and watch the terminal. Once the server is up, make sure your phone and computer share the same Wi-Fi network or enable USB tethering for a direct link. Then find your machine's LAN IP with ipconfig or ifconfig. You'll use that address on the phone. This step gives you the actual endpoint to load in a mobile browser. It avoids DNS and tunnel setup initially. Next, type http / followed by your LAN IP and port, for example http / 192.168.150.8000 into the phone's browser and hit load. If the page doesn't load, check the PC firewall and add a rule to allow TCP on your server port. Windows Defender and Mac OS both block ports by default. Once done, consider using ngrok or local tunnel when you need HTTPS, remote access, or to test webhooks. These tools create. To finish, debug on the phone with remote tools. Open Chrome, / inspect on your computer or enable Safari Web Inspector on iOS and connect your device. Once connected, inspect elements, simulate network throttling, and verify touch events and responsive breakpoints so mobile UX is accurate. If something breaks, make sure the IP and port are correct, the firewall allows the port, and try USB reverse tethering as a fallback. One key tip: restart the server after changing host bindings to apply address changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.